Today we talk about how can you add image to Collage on your Pinterest app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Pinterest app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first. So you just here select any image you want to add to Collage. I'm going to click on this image. Then it's going to show for you like this. You click here on this side here, so then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just click here on add to collect here, then it's going to show for you like this here. So then here can you select or choose your collect you have, and I have no collect. I'm going to click here add to new collect, and you just click here on next, or just click on continue to work in here, then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.